So this is another video by PetRock, and today I'm working on my 06 Harley Night Train. It's an FXSTBI, and I'm going to be changing the battery out. This is actually a very simple job. It's almost as easy, if not easier, than replacing spark plugs. All you need is a wrench and a new battery, and that's it. So first thing you need to do is remove the seat, and here's your battery. Okay, so here's your battery. Here's your little fuse box. So these batteries aren't strapped in at all. They're literally just a press fit kind of into this cavity. So you can just pick it up a little bit and pull it out slightly to give yourself better room on these bolts right here. So you want to start with the negative side first and remove the bolt for that. If your new battery came with new bolts, then you can just put these in a junk drawer. If yours didn't, then put these aside. Now, to avoid sparking, you want to tuck the negative battery cable down into the cavity here, because you don't want it touching this metal up here, otherwise you'll have a spark. So now you remove the positive cable. And tuck the cable out of the way. Now the battery is free and you can just remove it. Now you want to look inside this cavity here, clean out any debris or junk that may be in here that may not let the new battery seat properly. Okay, now you take your new battery and put it in. Making sure that it's up and cocked back so you can get access to these bolt holes. So now you take your bolt, put it through the hole, and start it by hand. You don't want to cross thread these because that'll produce a loose connection, and loose battery connections can spark, which are bad, and fire, and carnage and burned up bike and stuff like that you don't want. So now you take the bolt from the negative battery cable. Now when you connect it up here, it will spark a little bit. Don't be afraid. It's not going to kill you. If you're concerned about it, you can put on some gloves of some form as an insulation, but you'll be fine. Just put it in and make sure not to drop these bolts, because below here is a rat's nest of wires and not very easy places to get to that bolts love to hang out in. So yeah, be careful. Snug it down. You might want to take a sticker and stick on there the date that you purchased it and date you installed it, because these things have a warranty of about 2 years. Most manufacturers have that warranty. So if it goes bad during that time period, you can get a free replacement. So just put a sticker on there that says what date it was purchased and date installed, so you can keep it for future knowledge. Now just fully seat the battery in the battery case. It should be almost straight up and down. And these bolts should be difficult to get to when it's fully seated. So now put your seat back on. So double check when you put the accessories on that everything goes on correctly, and you are done. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos like it, please subscribe.